Desserts do not have to destroy your fitness goals if you know how to make them the right way. Healthy dessert recipes can satisfy your sweet cravings while keeping your diet fully on track. Using natural ingredients like honey oats and dark chocolate can make every bite guilt-free. You do not need to give up on flavor just to stay fit. You only need smarter substitutions. This guide will show you how to create desserts that are delicious and still support your progress. From protein brownies to yogurt parfaits, each recipe is made to fuel your body, not harm it. These treats are perfect for post-workout snacks or late-night cravings without any regret. You will learn how to enjoy sweetness while maintaining balance in your daily nutrition. Like and subscribe for more healthy recipes that make eating clean simple and enjoyable. Let us dive into desserts that prove you can love sweets and still love your reflection too. 1. Sweet without the guilt. Healthy desserts prove that sweetness doesn't need to destroy your fitness goals anymore. By using whole ingredients, you satisfy cravings without overloading on sugar or fat levels. Natural sweeteners like honey, dates, and maple syrup create flavor without calorie overload. Swapping refined sugar for fruits or stevia keeps energy stable and prevents sugar crashes. These options provide fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients instead of empty processed calories. Once you try these versions, you'll realize dessert can be both indulgent and nourishing daily. Balancing taste and nutrition lets you enjoy your favorite treats without guilt or compromise. It's not about giving up dessert, but transforming how you approach it for long-term success. Sweet doesn't have to mean unhealthy with smart swaps. It becomes a form of self-care too. Healthy desserts help you stay consistent with your goals without missing out on joy at all. 2. The magic of natural sweeteners. Processed sugar spikes insulin, leading to fatigue, weight gain, and cravings all over again. Natural sweeteners digest slowly, keeping blood sugar balanced and appetite in control daily. Honey provides antibacterial benefits while adding depth of flavor to baked goods naturally. Maple syrup delivers minerals like zinc and manganese, enhancing both health and taste balance. Dates add natural caramel flavor while giving fiber and potassium for smooth digestion always. Stevia offers 0 calories yet strong sweetness, ideal for diabetics or calorie watchers today. Coconut sugar contains small traces of nutrients and has a lower glycemic index comparatively. 3. Power of protein desserts. Protein desserts help you stay full longer while supporting muscle repair and fat metabolism. Adding protein powder, yogurt, or nut butter transforms snacks into balanced fuel for your day. Protein brownies or shakes curb late-night cravings while keeping hunger under control easily. Greek yogurt parfaits with fruits and oats create creamy, satisfying texture with extra nutrition. Peanut butter energy balls offer perfect pre-workout fuel without processed sugar or junk fat. Protein pancakes made with oats and eggs deliver lasting energy for busy mornings or evenings. Adding whey or plant protein to muffins turns dessert into a muscle-friendly indulgence anytime. 4. Fruit-based sweet fixes. Nature offers the sweetest solutions through fruits loaded with vitamins, fiber, and hydration. Frozen banana ice cream blended with cocoa creates creamy, guilt-free indulgence instantly. Baked apples with cinnamon satisfy pie cravings while boosting antioxidants and digestion. Mango chia pudding provides omega-3s and fiber for sustained energy throughout the day. Watermelon or berry sorbets refresh your taste buds without added sugar or dairy products. Grilled pineapple with a drizzle of honey tastes decadent while staying nutrient-rich overall. Fruits provide natural sweetness without processed chemicals that harm your skin or mood. 5. Smart flour alternatives. Refined flour causes insulin spikes and stores easily as fat while offering no nutrition value. Replacing it with almond, oat, or coconut flour adds fiber, protein, and healthy fats for balance. Oat flour keeps desserts chewy and provides slow-release carbs for steady energy throughout. Almond flour gives nutty flavor and vitamin E, improving skin health and reducing inflammation. Coconut flour absorbs more moisture, needing fewer amounts and promoting digestive health. These flours help maintain satiety, preventing overeating and post-meal sugar cravings easily. They create moist, flavorful bakes that support your wellness goals instead of harming them. 6. The role of healthy fats. Fats aren't villains when chosen wisely. They're essential for hormones, brain, and skin health. Avocado, cocoa, and nuts bring richness to desserts while offering omega fats and satisfaction. Dark chocolate made with healthy oils gives antioxidants and mood support without excess sugar. Nut butters provide texture while boosting protein and fiber to keep hunger in check naturally. Coconut oil enhances flavor while supporting metabolism and balanced energy after every meal. Healthy fats slow digestion, helping you feel fuller longer and curb unnecessary snacking habits. Using them moderately ensures flavor depth without excess calories or greasy heaviness. 7. Portion control and mindful eating. Even healthy desserts can backfire if portions grow unchecked due to mindless eating habits. A small square of brownie or a cup of pudding satisfies far more when eaten with awareness. Mindful eating means savoring texture, aroma, and flavor rather than rushing through each bite. Your brain registers satisfaction only after several minutes, so slowing down prevents overeating. Pre-portioning your desserts into small cups or jars helps avoid accidental calorie overload. Pairing dessert with protein or water balances appetite and keeps sugar cravings under control. Awareness turns indulgence into pleasure without guilt because it respects your body's limits. 8. Baking techniques that matter. Baking style impacts both flavor and nutrition in every dessert you prepare at home easily. Using air fryers or ovens instead of deep frying cuts calories while retaining crispy texture. Opting for steaming or no-bake recipes preserves nutrients and prevents fat oxidation damage. Lower baking temperatures maintain moisture while protecting delicate vitamins from loss. Using silicone molds reduces oil need and ensures even heat distribution for better results. Replacing butter with mashed bananas or applesauce adds sweetness, fiber, and softness easily. Experimenting with spices like cinnamon or nutmeg enhances taste without sugar addition. 9. Staying consistent with balance. Balance means enjoying dessert without labeling it as cheat or punishment anymore in mindset. One healthy dessert a day keeps cravings controlled and prevents binge eating later at night. Plan desserts into your weekly routine so they support rather than derail your fitness plan. Consistency creates freedom when you trust yourself to enjoy sweets mindfully every week. Focus on ingredients quality rather than calorie perfection to sustain your progress easily. When desserts fit your goals, you no longer fear them. You learn to include them wisely daily. Healthy sweets are bridges between discipline and satisfaction, supporting balance long-term. 10. Turning desserts into lifestyle. Healthy dessert making isn't a temporary trend. It's a lifestyle shift toward mindful indulgence. Once you master swaps and smart portions, it becomes natural to eat sweets without fear daily. Experimenting with flavors, textures, and ingredients keeps your meals creative and sustainable. Dessert prep becomes part of weekly self-care, helping you stay consistent with nutrition goals. Sharing your healthy creations inspires others to ditch processed junk for real nourishment. These desserts nourish body and soul, giving joy without the energy crash of sugary snacks. Making them yourself builds connection with food and control over ingredients you consume. Healthy desserts are proof that discipline and delight can exist on the same plate beautifully. Once you start making smart ingredient swaps, every treat becomes a step toward better health. These recipes help you manage cravings, boost energy, and keep your motivation strong daily. Enjoying what you eat is part of every successful fitness lifestyle that lasts for years. The key is moderation, learning to taste without overindulging and enjoying balance guilt-free. Keep experimenting with flavors, textures, and nutrients that make healthy eating fun again. Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes and wellness tips to support your journey ahead. Share your favorite healthy dessert ideas in the comments to inspire others on this path. Thank you for watching and being part of this community where health meets happiness daily. Stay consistent and remember, you never have to give up sweetness to stay truly fit forever.